All right, let's take the Unit 11 Measurement and Data Next Steps Assessment. Here are your directions. You are ordering a new case for your iPad online. You need to do some measuring to make sure that the case will fit properly, right, before you buy it. So here's your first task. Estimate the length of your iPad. Means make your best guess. Estimate about how many inches long is your iPad. And estimate about how many centimeters do you think it might be long. Number 2, now let's actually measure the length of your iPad to the nearest inch. So grab a ruler. On the line to the nearest inch, how many inches long is your iPad? Press pause until you have finished. Number 3, measure the length of your iPad to the nearest centimeter. Write your measurement on the line. Press pause until you have finished. Number 4, explain why your measurements for length are different. Press pause until you have finished explaining below. Number 5, measure the width of your iPad to the nearest inch. Write your measurement on the line. Press pause until you have finished measuring. Number 6, what is the difference between the length of your iPad and the width of your iPad? Write an equation with the symbol for the unknown number, then solve. Write your equation on the line and solve below. Press pause until you have finished finding the difference between the length of your iPad and the width of your iPad. Number 7, write or show the time. Some clocks may have a time written, so then show it inside the clock face. Some clocks may have a time shown, so then write it. Press pause until you have finished. Number 8, Bob buys a pack of gum for 77 cents. What are 2 different ways he could have paid using pennies, nickels, dimes, or quarters? Show one possible way to make 77 cents in this box. Show a different second possible way to make 77 cents in this box. Press pause until you have finished. Number 9, Tina gets $36 for her birthday. What are 2 different ways she could have $36 using $1 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, or $20 bills? Show one possible way to make $36 in this box. Show a different second possible way to make $36 in this box. Press pause until you are finished. Number 10, split the rectangle into 4 rows and 4 columns. How many squares did you make? Write your answer on the line and show how you'd split this rectangle into 4 rows and 4 columns. Press pause until you have finished. Last question. Number 10, use the data in the tally chart to create a line plot. So here is the data. Length of a line to the nearest inch, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. Number of lines, using tallies of course. Looking at this data, make a line plot below. Nice job!